Good afternoon, dear student. Hope all you're fine and staying at home. So today I'll be discussing about the conservation of resource. So in here I'll make two videos in this chapter. This one chapter from the conservation of resource meaning and needs, and another videos I'll make about the uh, different method of the conservation of resource. So stay with me. I'll be discussing about the conservation of resource. So conservation of resource means that we can say that conservation of resource means completely use the resource without wasting and misuse. That is called the conservation of resource. Since see, we got the resource from the natures, when we are supposed to use this resource, keeping in mind that it should not be destroyed or misused by us, then obviously its benefit goes to the peoples or to us. That is called the conservation of resource. But conservation of resource, it does not mean that not using the resource. Have to use the resource. Since take the example, supposed to be there mineral wells that we get exploit from the natures, but exploit from the natures, but have to use this resource without any destruction or wasting, then obviously the benefit will come to the peoples. That is called the uh, conservation of resource. Hopefully the concept clear about the conservation of resource. Now come to the uh, about the resource. Since see, the resource that we get from the natures, it is available, but problem is there, but some different kind of resource are there. We can classify the resource in different type, but some resource that are non-renewable, that are we that is going to be finished. Once going to finish means we cannot take back it again. So so and the resource that available in natures, but it was not uniformly distributed in all over the world. Some region are more, some region are less. So these are the things there, but resources not uniformly distributed. So the problem is that some of the non in respect of the non-renewable resource, that we are exploiting the non-renewable resource without any rational use. So what will be there at the time, it will be going to be finished, and we cannot take back it again. So our future generation will face the problems. So that we have to be cautious to use the non-renewable resource. Since see that uh, our human activity, the human pressure goes on to the non-renewable resources, that uh, non-renewable resources, people's pressure on non-renewable resources, that using this resource without any uh, without any proper planning. So see, the overpopulations and overpopulations overpopulations, it's directly goes the pressure to the natural resource. Since even we see that uh, suppose some of the developed countries of the world, like example you see take the USA, Japan, Germany, these are the some of these developed country. These are developed countries, their populations, even we see that their population is number less populations, but in these countries the use of natural resource are huge, and proper scientific method they are using the resource. As the results, these countries are economically developed, but in respect of the some uh, underdeveloped countries, we're going to take the example like India, China. These are the countries, they have the huge populations, but use of the resource was less, not up to the mark, and economically these countries are not developed. So because of that, people have to be conserve the resource, because conserve resource, then we can get benefited from it. Even we see that not only in respect of the not only in the respect of the non-renewable resource, in respect of the non, it is not only that, in respect of the non-renewable resource, but also regarding the matter of renewable resource, we have to be cautious to use the non-renewable resources. Such example I give third number. Suppose forest resource. Forest resource is a renewable resource, but if you are not if you are not careful about to resource not careful about to use the forest resource, then it will be also get problems. Suppose you see that from forest resource like that, some valuable plants that in the natures have, if we uh, if we use that without conserving, then these are the some of the valuable uh, plant species, like different species valuable will be going to be destroyed. Same thing, some of these endangered species like animals, a tiger, wild buffalo, some others, uh, these are the animals also going to be extinct. So this will be, we will not get back it again problem. And also the our biodiversity also will be not in the balance, will be also get the problems. So uh, so we have to be careful to use the resource. So even if you're not careful about the use the resource, then there will be create the lots of the problems in the environmental problems will face, like air, water and soil problem will be there. And like that, suppose human activities, like even we see that in the agriculture, people supposed to be insecticide, chemical fertilizers, these are the things are using. So as a result, what will become there? Pollution, air pollution will come, water pollution also come, and the soil pollution also becoming. This is also problems will face. So that's why we need to immediate step to conserve the resource. Then immediate step have to take to conserve the resource. Then we will conserve. That will be, will people are get the benefited from the resource. Regarding the matter, because of the overpopulations and because of the situations, there are large number of the governmental and non-governmental organizations are set up in order to uh, preserve and preserve and protect the environment. Suppose we can say that one of the international organizations which is set up in 1948, that is known as International Union for Conservation of uh, see, International Union for Conservation for Nature. This is one of the organizations which is formed in 1948 by the one British biologist that is known as Julian Huxley. He was the founder director of UNESCO. He was the founder director of, he was British biologist and founder director of UNESCO. He set up these organizations, and the main objective of these organizations, that is the International Union for Conservation, International Union of Conservation for Nature, this is organizations, his objective, main objective was there to carry out the study and research on conservation of global environment and natural resource including biodiversity and take the appropriate measure. So what he said that, he said first that carry out the research and study about what global environmental study have to have to do an environment and natural resources, not only this natural environment but also the natural resource including the biodiversity, and have to take the appropriate measure. This is the main objective of the uh, IUCN. So another two branches for the conservation of natures are there, that is WWF, that is the Worldwide Fund for Natures. Another one is World Conservation Monitoring Center. These are the two another branch organization of the IUCN who also work for the protection and preservation of the natural resource. That is the international level, and the national level also. Even in India, there is some of this uh, forest ministry and some forest Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has been also set up in India in the national level. Even you see that in the uh, regional level, also local levels like in Assam, also some of these non-governmental organization also set up, like Assam Science Society, Aranyak. These are the non-governmental organization also set up in order to protect and conserve the natural resources. So in order to encourage the uh, protecting the conservation of resource, every year there is 5th September, 5th, 5th June, 5th June, we are observing as a global environmental day. In order to encourage and protect the environment, every year we are supposed to observe the as a World Environmental Day. So this is the something about the conservation of resource meaning and its need. Why we have to conserve the resource. Hopefully you will get the idea and understood it. So thank you.